Trees would dance in a vibrant glow. Rivers hum where the wildflowers grow. But shadows creep where sunlight stands. A boy must fight with trembling hands. The colors fade, the sky turns gray. His heart feels dim, he's lost his way. He dreams of light, he dreams of song. But the winds seem harsh and nights are long. Rise up, boy, chase the sun.